Hey, what's your name? I've never seen you.
Oh, my name's Harry.
That's what I thought. Anyway, my name is Harry too, but you can call me Michael.
Okay, Michael.
That will make it less confusing. Totally. Anyway, what's that weird thing?
What? Weird thing.
It's under your hair.
Oh, yeah, this?
Ah! It's like a birthmark.
Not good.
Oh, would you like some food?
Yeah, I already brought some poop in this bag. My mom made it.
Yeah, me too. I have some, chocolate coins. See these ones right here.
Whoa! Chocolate coins!
Wait, I'm confused. What is this?
It's like, I don't know, like food. Where did it all come from? I thought we were eating chocolate coins and other things like that poop that my mom made.
Don't remind me of that.
I love this food.
Hey, what's this? It says...
OMG, that's like a chocolate frog! It's my favorite. I have like 2,000.
Wait, and they haven't gone rotten yet? Oh, eat it.
Don't do that! Ah, such a pity.
What did you just call me? Hey, look at this guy. He's 3D. Wait, is this
That must be Snape.
Wait, what? I thought this was a... Oh, what? What? Where'd it go?
I told you it was Snape. It is Snape.
Wait, what? What's that?
Anyway.
What is that, rather?
Anyway. Anyway.
What is the rat?
What rat? This? I'm gonna change it into an elephant!
Wow, this place is a mess. Do you guys even know how to clean?
No.
Well, what do you think those magic riding broomsticks are for?
Anyway, I'm gonna continue. Turn into a cow! And turn into that girl!
Oh, okay, so you guys don't know how to do the hocus pocus wave your stick.
Who's this?
What?
You say something magic that doesn't rhyme, and then it works. Watch. See, look. Eat a pig, and yeah. And work. Now. See, I just said nothing about the glasses, and they were fixed. Okay, that's nice. Okay, now, could you share your food?
No.
I said, fine. But do you know where the bathroom is? I really need to go to the bathroom, because I don't think the train has one.
Wait, what?
Goodbye.